In this video, we're gonna see a comparison between Binance versus Coinbase versus Kraken. Which one is best? Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, which crypto exchange is best? They each have strengths and weaknesses, so let's break it down to find out which one is right for you. For Binance, it's founded in 2017, the largest exchange by trading volume, offers the 350 plus cryptocurrencies and low trading fees, starting at 0.1%. Advanced trading tools, futures, options, and staking. Bitcoin Smart Chain, or BSC for DeFi project, and it's available worldwide but limited in some countries like Binance, US for US users only. It is best for traders who want low fees, advanced trading, and a huge crypto selection. Now let's move on to Coinbase. It's founded in 2012, one of the most trusted and beginner-friendly exchanges. Supporters, many cryptocurrencies up to 150 with easy buying and selling. FDIC insured bank accounts for added security and simple interface but higher fees than Binance and Kraken. Coinbase Pro offers more trading tools for lower fees. It is best for beginners who want an easy and secure way to buy crypto. Now, finally, Kraken. It was founded in 2011, known for security and compliance. It offers 200 and plus cryptocurrencies, spot trading, margin, and futures. The low fees compared to Coinbase, but not as low as Binance because Binance is the lowest when it comes to fees. It has high security with PGP email, encryption, and 2FA. It's available worldwide, including the US. It is best for security-focused traders who need margin and futures option. So, when it comes to ease of use, Coinbase wins for beginners. Kraken and Binance are better for experienced traders. Fees, Binance has the lowest fees. Crypto selection, Binance offers the most followed by Kraken, then Coinbase. For security, Kraken has the strongest security measures, but Coinbase is also very secure. And finally, trading futures, Binance and Kraken offer futures and margin trading while Coinbase Pro has advanced tools. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.